AUD stock has printed so many 52-week lows since the 22nd of February 2024. As things stand right now, the stock has or is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. So today, or rather in the session of the 8th of April, the stock ran up a gain of 147.55%. All of these are owing to the news that it was issued a patent by the US Patent Office concerning streaming radio frequencies and all that stuff, on something like that, But in any case, yes, the stock has just consistently been has printed a lot of 52-week lows since February the 22nd. But what we know for sure is that as of Friday the 5th of April, the probability that it will that this downward trend will continue, will persist, wasn't very high. I can have a look and determine what the probability was as of Friday, and we'll compare that with what we have right now. So the probability that it ran up, obviously, again of 147.55%. You can see the angle of attack is a very steep one, so naturally you would expect that it's going to pull back or cool off, and as a result of that, the probability that that will happen is 99.7762%, and the probability that it will not happen is almost 0.2%. So, but in order to determine the probability, what some market participants were looking at before all of these this rally happened today, we can just have a look and input the figures. We have 1.35, and then we have the mean standard deviation mean of 1.81. that is 10-day moving average is what we have in this case, and then the standard deviation was 2150, and then we'll be able to find what we're talking about. So the probability then was the probability that there's the bearish trend that persisted, that began, I would say, okay, let's just say, it began that, if you like, from the 22nd of February. The probability that that trend, which is still very much in effect, the probability that it would not continue was, as of Friday the 5th of February, was 98.38%. Now today, the next trading session, all of that has totally changed. The reverse is now completely the case. The reverse is now the case. The reverse is now that this slight this upward push it has made now is also not sustainable. So if it reverses, and if the price reverses and falls below its 10-day moving average, then the probability might also flip again. So as things stand right now, expect the stock to pull back. If it doesn't pull back, that would be great. Expect it to pull back, and we have an upper projection of $3.78. We have $4.34. We have 4.9. We have 5.55. We have 6.58, and all the way towards 9.29. But I can tell you that for sure, without any doubt, that this is definitely, I'm just guessing, but this is pretty much natural. Expect the stock to expect this expect it to pull back, and whether it's going to pull all the way down to 2.10, I can't say for sure. It's possible, even continue to print yet more 52-week lows. That is something that can definitely happen. Can we have a look at its 1-week chart and see whether we have further downward projections? Okay, we don't have anything. There are no algos there, so we can actually have a look at the 4-hour chart and see whether we have anything. In the 4-hour chart, we have a couple of downward projections. We have 4.5. No, sorry. These are upper projections. As a matter of fact, we have a downward projection of 1.72. Yeah, 1.7, 1.82. Yeah. But on this 4-hour chart, projections go all the way towards 13.22. Below that, we have 8.92. Below that we have 7.42. We have 6.21, and we have 5.37. We have 4.53, and then yeah. So yeah, the probability that it's going to there's going to be a rejection around here, around around where it closed, is very very high. So AUD ran up a huge gain in this session, in the session of today, the 8th of or rather yesterday, the 8th of April. Let's have a look and see what you make of it, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.